Nova, please don't do a tantrum.
I will do a tantrum. Stop the film!
Nova!
Tantrum.
I know.
Ballads are hard. They just make me sad. You know what? I hate ballads.
And salads.
Why don't I have the feels? Why don't I understand slow songs? Where's Gurgle? He'll comfort Mummy. I'm bored. Put one of my tracks on.
You put one of your tracks on.
But I'm comfy. It's too much effort.
Okay, play music.
Thank you. That looked exhausting.
I'm only your sister and your manager, Nova. I'm not going to do everything for you. This is a new one. I like it.
I know, it's good. But I don't remember recording it.
Yes, you did. This is when you sang in a boy's voice for a laugh, remember? No. Yes, you do. Display track information. Oh, now you can spend the effort.
Wobble, Help, I'm Too Awesome by Johnny Keaton and Monarchy. McLaren, quick, there's something wrong with the music player.
Current Big Bang music chart position number 15.
Number 15? But the charts is where I go.
Help, I'm too awesome.
McLaren, is Nova... Is she jealous of somebody right now?
With her big TV interview this afternoon. What makes you say...
number 10. Number 10 is my number.
Nope, she's fine.
Nova, you've got your jealousy face on. Shake it off. He's at number 9 now. Number 9 is my number.
I thought number 10 was...
They're all my numbers. 9, 10, 9. So this is going to be our whole day, is it?
How to calm an anxious artist. Here we go. Nova, you don't ever need to be jealous of someone else's success. To have our talents noticed, we only need to try our hardest, do our best when the opportunity comes.
Sorry, I tripped over my mail sack there. Trying my hardest, though. Off to the cockpit to do my best.
Look at this. This is from a real fan. It's not some anonymous chart. Although, you know I love a chart. This letter is a genuine, heartfelt declaration of how great you are. Lovely colour stationery, too. Maybe read it in your own time.
He's at number 8 now.
Just so we're clear, you're not planning to do that on television, are you?
Pop Rivals battle for chart survival. I'm Bubba Smithsonian interviewing superstar Nova Jones, who today launched a musical attack on beat sensation Johnny and the Monarchy.
Sensation.
He's released a song in answer to his new, very catchy number, Help, I'm Too Awesome.
Catchy.
Your song, You're Not Awesome, I'm Awesome, is now at number 2 with Johnny at number 3. With just hours to go before the official chart is released, could Johnny be the first pop star in history to knock Nova Jones off the number 1 spot?
Nova?
Relax your eyebrows, sis. I'm fine. Oh, Bubbles, I'll crush Johnny's little song into space dust.
Nova! Just lost 1 follower on Spacegram.
Tough talk from Nova Jones. But how does her opponent feel? We're lucky to have the galaxy's biggest fan of the colour peach on the show with us. It's Johnny.
Wobble?
Hey everyone, super fabulous to be here. This is just Nova-tastic.
Nova, be nice, your fans are all watching.
I can't worry about the fans right now. I've lost a follower.
superstar. Nova's mixing it up in the kitchen.
I'll be showing you how to cook. Like I said I could. We'll make my fave banana smasher with extra blueberries. Cooking's easy. Probably. First, take 2 of these, spoons. Take a couple of,
Bananas. And those blueberries are the blueberries.
make sure you push them around the table a bit to really release the flavours. Whoops, wrong way around. And then you press this. Simple. Turn it off! Turn it off! It's awful. I feel all weird. My skin's prickly and hot, and I'm cross at everyone, and I don't want people to see me. No! My tummy feels like it's hiding in my pants. What is this?
Sounds like embarrassment.
Well, I don't like it. Make it stop.
So she does the wobbler show with a wibbly voice. It'll be fine. Nova doesn't know the meaning of embarrassment.
McLaren, I know what embarrassment means. It's horrible. I cannot be seen doing any wobbly embarrassing. Oh, look, ridiculous. This isn't absolutely awesome. It's absolutely awful. Cancel the gig.
Exhausted. Every bit of me is tired. Look at my hands. And you've been singing non-stop for weeks. How are you?
I don't want to be Nova anymore. My whole me hurts.
Are you losing your voice?
SYCH. Shut your cake hole. I'm galactic megastar Nova Jones.
I thought you didn't want to be you anymore.
That was ages ago. Why are you bringing it up now? I'm me. I can't lose my voice. I always know exactly where it is. And besides,
Oh, wow. I think this is the longest I've gone without hearing your voice. I can hear the air conditioning and the ship's engines and my own voice.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, wait. We've got a performance in 2 days. The Planet of Invisible Apes. They get really upset if you cancel, I assume. No, you're right. This is a crisis. Nova Jones has lost her voice. This has been a great day's managering for me. Nova's going to sing the song for the next Johnny Forever movie.
Shh.
So long as you got.
Yes, they agreed to buy you a teddy bear the size of a house. With pyjamas on? Like I'd forget.
Who's the lady driving the car?
Jenny Forever!
Have I asked that before?
It's okay, Captain. I get confused with the stories sometimes too, and...
Oh, wow! Agent E has found the secret evidence that Bigglesnoot's a traitor!
Jenny should not go to a secret meeting in those trousers. Total spy trousers. This guy's got to know who she is right away.
But did you also learn that I love you?
Stop the film! Nova! Johnny's in films? He's a movie star now?
He's in one scene.
Make me a film star now. I'm Nova Jones. I'm the original triple threat. I can sing, I can dance, and...
Can't act.
Oh, what do I hoo-ha?
You're really, really bad. Look.
And the heroes flew down to the rescue, and it was so exciting that the villagers all cheered and they forgot about the ruins of their city because...
Yeah, see? That was perfect. Tomorrow, you're going to make Triple Threat Nova a movie star.
No. I don't want to do that this week. You're obviously a bad actor, and this would be a disaster. So...
Hey there.
Hello.
Hello, Johnny. Hello, Malcolm.
This is still the film.
Did you see the Jenny Forever film? Isn't Johnny great in it?
Oh, Malcolm.
You're a scene stealer. Stealing scenes, stealing hearts. So, Nova, Mac, we just wanted to say, do you want to come to the after party?
No.
After party? After what?
After Johnny wins Best Cameo at the Oscars, he's all set to win. All it takes is talent and top drawer manager.
Cancel call!
I'm gonna make you a movie star. Nothing can stop Triple Threat Nova.